Hello guys, let's talk today about how to replace the locally smart lock batteries. As you can see, I have my app here that shows that the battery is 100%. If yours it's not, you're gonna see here a sign asking to replace the battery, right? And it's very easy. You just need to use a Phillips driver like this one and 4 AA batteries like this one, right? And then you just need to open the smart lock case using the screwdriver or the Phillips driver. Remove the old batteries from there and replace with the new ones. And then you just need to close the case again and you're ready to go. When you come back here to the app, you see now that the battery is 100% and it starts working again, right? So it's pretty simple. That's the way you replace your locally smart lock battery. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.